దాంతో పాటు వేదిక ముందున్నటువంటి చిన్నారులు సింఫోనీ కాలనీ పెద్దలందరికీ కూడా పేరు పేరున 2025 ఆంగ్ల సంవత్సరం సందర్భంగా శుభాకాంక్షలు అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాను. నాది సింఫోనీ కాలనీ మిత్రులందరికీ కూడా ఒక విజ్ఞప్తి. కార్యక్రమాలు ఉన్నప్పుడు పిలిచి అందరిని అడ్డు కూర్చోబెట్టి నన్ను ఇటు నిల్చోబెట్టి రెండు మాటలు మాట్లాడి పంపించకుండా మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడన్నా ఒకసారి కలిసి మాట్లాడుకోవడానికి ఒక అవకాశాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేయాల్సిందిగా నేను మీ అధ్యక్షుల వారికి విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తా ఉన్నాను. బికాస్ లాస్ట్ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా ఏదో అకేషన్ సందర్భంగా పిలిచినారు, మీరంతా అటువైపు ఏదో మంచి మూడ్లో ఉంటారు, మధ్యలో మేము వచ్చి రాజకీయాలు మాట్లాడి మేము దాన్ని స్పాయిల్ చేసిపోతా ఉన్నాం అనేటువంటి బాధ నాకుంది. సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు టేక్ మచ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ టైమ్ అండ్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు స్పాయిల్ ద మూమెంట్స్ దట్ యు ఆర్ స్పెండింగ్ with your family and the kids. Last time when I visited your colony, there were certain demands from your colony. The basic demand from the colony is to provide certain amenities and a community hall or function hall in this place where we are standing. On that day also I promised and I said your president to clear up all the legal obligations that are there in the colony, but that could not be materialized. But now I promise that within the first quarter itself I will call all the builders of the symphony and the committee of the symphony and I will try to solve the problems that are existing as far as this land is concerned. Before March 31st, I will promise you, before I come for some other function in the colony, definitely I will try to take a risk about the colony and its legal issues, because I, being a practicing advocate, I try to conclude the issues that are pending in the colony. This is the one word I can say, because last time when I came to your colony, your president's demand was to have a big community hall for the society. Without having the legal clearance, we being the government servants or the public servants, we cannot give the money which comes from the government of India. So my sincere request, tomorrow only I will call your builder Mr. Raju and I will try to conclude the legal issues wherever they are pending. While coming in the car also I discussed with Sudhakar the same issue, that I hope for the best and I will try to conclude it before March 31st. And the rest of the things, I think you are well aware and you are well educated. There is nothing to say from my side, because all you blessed me and you sent me to the parliament of the country, the temple of the democracy, where I am trying to get something for this constituency. More particularly when I came to Biranguda and Aminpur, Patancheru, most of the voters demanded for MP is not member of parliament, MP means the metro should be made pakka. It was the demand from the people of Biranguda, Aminpur and Patancheru. I tried my level best and I think I succeeded in getting the extension of the metro from Miyapur to Patancheru, 14.5 kilometers. Within a short period it is going to be, a foundation stone is going to be laid. And as you are well aware, that whatever the traffic congestion you are facing near BHL and up to Sangareddy Chaurasta, all this is going to be solved by the end of February 28. Honorable Nitin Gadkari, the Minister for Roads and Transport, he agreed to come and visit this national highway. We are developing the BHL circle like anything, and you will see once the work is completed, definitely you don't have any traffic problem. I know how much time is precious for all of you, being the employees in different well-known and well-versed organizations. So most of the traffic issues of the BHL junction are also going to be cleared. And lastly, I would like to promise you that we are going to get a nala. We are having a nala from BHL Chaurasta to Biranguda. Open nala is there. Wherever the GHMC limits are there for that particular nala, the GHMC commissioner has sanctioned 4 crores to cover that nala. That work is going to be started in the month of March. From BHL, Jyoti Nagar, Ashok Nagar, Reddy Colony, all the colonies, there is a open nala is going on. This is for first time I am making an announcement. Nobody knows, even it has been not covered in the press also, with 4 crores. The nala that is starting from BHL to Biranguda Kaman, that nala is going to be covered and it is being slabbed so that you will not get the unnecessary smell or other things from the nala. And lastly we are working on another road which is more important for you also. From BHL Chaurasta there is a road that leads in front of Sridevi Talkies to Aminpur. There is a road is there. There is also a heavy traffic congestion is there. We are converting that road into 4 lanes road with divider with 40 crores of rupees. That work is also going to be started before 31st of the March. Now it is at tender stage. Like we are constructing the national highway, there will be a center divider. This side 2 lanes, this side 2 lanes, after that a drain, and after that the service road is also being sanctioned from BHL Chaurasta to Bandamkommu Lake, and thereafter it comes under the Aminpur municipality. For that also another 40 crores we are demanding from HMDA. These are the certain things which, with the blessings of all you, when I have been got elected as a member of parliament from Medak, since long pending issues whatever are there in this area, I am trying to complete one after the other. I need your further blessings and cooperation, and I'll promise you that this issue will be resolved as early as possible. Sudhakar is saying one after the other the other issue is bringing before me is to ask for the exemption from the water bills that which HMD is collecting from your colony. This right now at this juncture I cannot promise because I don't have any idea about this subject. Once I will discuss with the Metro Waterworks MD Mr. Ashok Reddy, and I will come back to you. Whenever next time I will come back to your colony, definitely I will speak on the issue of water bills. Thank you one and all, and once again enjoy the evening with the family. సో ఎందుకంటే ఎక్కువ ఏం మాట్లాడలేదు నేను 100 కిలోలు మోస్తా అంటే మీ వాళ్ళు 150 కిలోల బరువు ఎత్తుతా ఉన్నారు నా మీద. నాకు కూడా కొంచెం స్పైన్ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది, అందుకని ఇంత ఎక్కువ తింటే కూడా డైజెషన్ కష్టం అవుతుంది. అందుకని ఈ పూటకి ఇంతే నన్ను మన్నించి ఈ సాయం సంధ్య వేళ మిమ్మల్ని కలిసే అవకాశం ఇచ్చేటువంటి కాలనీ పెద్దలందరికీ మరొకసారి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా నూతన సంవత్సరం సందర్భంగా శుభాకాంక్షలు, అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తూ పార్టీని బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి, పిల్లల్ని బాగా కాపాడుకోండి. క్రైమ్ బాగా పెరిగిపోయింది తెలంగాణలో. క్రైమ్ అగైనెస్ట్ ఉమెన్ అండ్ డ్రగ్స్ కేసెస్ పెరుగుతా ఉన్నాయి. దయించి మీరు ఎంత బిజీ ఉన్నా మీ పిల్లల పట్ల, మీ కుటుంబం పట్ల కొంచెం టైం ఇచ్చి పిల్లల్ని డ్రగ్స్ వైపు పోకుండా చూడాలని మీ అందరినీ కూడా వేడుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటా ఉన్నాను. జై హింద్, జై భారత్.